I think this is one of the most underrated webcams available in the market today. We'll check out its physical overview, features, and more. Everything you need to know, coming up. Hey, what's up guys, it's Mac here and we'll do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's check out the Rapoo C260 webcam. So what do we get in the box? Obviously the webcam and the manual. Other than that, I guess there's nothing more. Now let's check out the physical overview. The build is all sturdy plastic with some rubberized texture on the base and some sort of sandblasted plastic texture all over the unit. It has a tripod mount underneath if you wanted to use a mini tripod like this one. In front, there's a glass protection before the actual lens and a cellular light indicating that it is being used. All webcam lighting indicators should be like this because it doesn't hurt the user's eyes while looking at the camera lens. These two dots over here are the built-in microphone and we will be testing that out later. As for the webcam orientation flexibility, it can be mounted like this way. It can also swivel, but it cannot tilt, so that's really unfortunate. And lastly, it has a decent length USB cable for input. Enough with the physical overview, now let's check out some features. So this webcam has 1080p capture, though the frames per second is not indicated in the box. We tested it out using webcamtest.com. And it seems we are running around 31 FPS maximum and 29 minimum. I'm not sure though how accurate this is, but let me know what you think in the comment section below. It also has a 95-degree field of view according to their website, but in the manual it says it has 80-degree field of view only. I see no consistency in their product information, but we'll just have to check that out for ourselves later. In the product diagram, it says that this webcam has an autofocus hybrid lens, auto-light correction, and omnidirectional microphone. Well, I guess that's all that there is. If you wanted to know more features, just check this out and pause the video. We'll be testing out the webcam in different lighting settings and we'll be testing the omnidirectional microphone afterwards. So, let's go! So this is the sound of the built-in mic of the Rapoo C260. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now I guess it's time for me to give my final thoughts about the webcam. For the build quality, I have no complaints because it is very sturdy. I just wish you can just tilt the webcam so if you have a very large monitor, you won't have a hard time facing your camera downwards. I love the simple look and the subtle lighting of the lighting indication over here because it's not too intrusive. For its performance, I guess it's delivering the advertised resolution, and for the frames per second, I guess it's okay. The auto white balance, auto exposure, and low light compensation adjust fast enough to deliver quality video capture. Unfortunately, if you try to manually adjust the white balance and exposure, it doesn't work well, so best to keep that in auto. The autofocus seems to be having a hard time adjusting, and I guess it's not really working properly. The built-in microphone is picking a lot of background sound, but delivers an average voice audio. I don't really recommend anyone using this built-in mic unless you don't want anyone listening to you. Just use your headset's mic instead. But overall, I like how the webcam performs, especially the wide angle lens, auto video quality adjustment, and build quality. For its price, you can't go wrong with it, and I'll totally recommend it to anyone who's in a budget and needs a 1080p webcam. If you want to get one of these for yourself today, make sure you check out the link in the description below. So that's it guys, if you found this video interesting and helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up and share it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.